Okay, today we're going to learn about the callable built-in function in Python 3. For this one, let's take a quick look at the docs. So callable takes an object as its argument and will return true if the object appears callable and false if not. So the first thing I want to do is just show you guys the Boolean at work. So we can throw anything in here and we will get false if it's not callable. However, if, say, we throw type around this, we will get callable. The reason for this, skipping ahead a little bit, is because type is a class and classes are callable. I found a blog post I really like. I'll link it up in the notes for this video, and it lays out that functions are callables, classes are callables, methods are callables, and instance of classes are callables. What stuck out to me the most is just that classes are callables. So if you remember when we did the type, that was a class, and so that's a callable. Opening up our editor, I have three quick examples. One is of an integer, one is of a function, and one is of a class. So let's run that and take a look. So we see that the integer is not callable, the function is callable, and the class with the method inside it is callable. I could even change this call method to say init and run that again, and you'll see that the method is still callable. And it's a common one, but what if we just change it to random, ran that again, and you'll see that the method is still callable. And everything comes down to these call methods, which are actually built into most classes. So say we want to look at this, we open up our shell and we can check any sort of class. So actually, before I do that, let me show you that type bool. So bool is a class, and then if we want to run has attribute on bool, we see that it has that method built in. But if we do it on something that's not a class, like say empty list, it's going to return false. It doesn't have that built-in method. So we can do this check with pretty much any class. What are some other ones? Dict, and that's the dict itself, not that. Or we could do it with open. Basically any sort of built-in is going to have this call method. So that's pretty much it. Callable is actually a pretty well-described function. If something can be called, it'll say so. We run type on this, get the class, which is going to be a string. Boom, callable, true, false. Thanks for watching.